Hi there, welcome to today's video. Sorry I'm filming the video after the airshow, but I didn't create a starter and I didn't create an intro, so here we go. Welcome to the video today. What we are doing is, we are showing you the Wales Airshow. The Wales Airshow had loads of planes in it. And it's a fantastic airshow was overall. It had a fun fair there, it had the Red Arrows there, it has the Typhoon there, it has the Acrobat, wing walkers. There are quite a lot there of exciting planes there that were in the sky today. In this video you'll see videos that have been taken from me and my friend, and I've come together to make a video to show what the Wales Airshow was like. So if you like the video, please subscribe, press the like button, press the notification bell, and if you want to know, my friend's name is, his name is Nicky. So that's what you need to know. And please subscribe to my channel, Daily CFD Focus, and this channel, Lee and Daily's Space Showdown. Well, I would recommend you not type Lee and Daily's into Google. I would type, because something weird comes up, but I would type the full name, Lee and Daily's, and subscribe to it. Have an excellent time and excellent fun. So enjoy the video, and have fun if you've been going to the Wales Airshow already before. And if you're going tomorrow, enjoy.
Hi Ford.
Is actually 50 years old this year, and all the pilots that have flown the Hawk are due to her to a very small sports car. The agile. Keep your eye on Green to the left of the side. Red Arrows before 1964 with our first play in 1965. And we were looking for. The second half
Yeah.
I'm coming in from the top right hand side again. Red 8 has come down and speared the half. Red 8 is flight attendant Rich Walker. Second year of the team, former Harry pilot, former Typhoon pilot. Yeah, let's give 6, 7, 8 a massive round of applause.